Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Petey the Cat. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw a circle for the head. Now top inside and let's draw an oval on the left for the eye. And the same thing on the right, but slightly smaller. And now let's color them both in black. Now in between the eyes, let's draw a V-shaped point for the eyebrows. Next, let's hop down and let's draw a sideways oval in the middle for the nose. Then a line down underneath, and a large upside down curve for the mouth. Now top out, and on each of the cheeks, let's draw 3 small black circles. And then 3 curves going out on both sides for the whiskers. Now top up and let's draw the ears. Let's draw a V-shaped point on the top left and the top right. And that's it for the head. Now top down and let's draw the body. Let's start with 2 long angles down. And then a line across at the bottom. Now top in and let's draw some stripes. And that's it for the torso. Now top out and let's draw the arms. On the left side, let's draw 2 angles down and out. And the same thing on the right. Now from the bottom line, let's angle it back in. And the same thing from the other line, but we're going to stop just before the body. Now at the bottom, let's draw 3 bumps on both sides for the hands. And then let's hop inside and let's draw some stripes on both of the arms. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now top down and let's draw the legs. Let's start underneath on the left and let's draw 2 angles down and in, with the right one being a little bit longer. Now for the other leg, let's hop over to the right side and we're going to draw 2 angles out. Angle the inside one down and in. And the same from the outside line, but shorter. Now let's draw a curve out on both sides for the tops of the feet. And close it off at the bottom. And now let's hop in and let's draw some stripes. And that's it for the legs. Lastly, let's add the tail. On the bottom left of the body, let's draw a wavy line down and out like this. And the same thing underneath. And then close it off at the end. And again, let's add some striped lines inside. And that's it for Petey the Cat. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!